welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing my skincare, but I've also got my Welsh Nan's dog, Teddy Bear. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Hey, come. Where should I put him? Because I can't put the tripod. Oh, there you go. In my chair. Good boy. Pick one. He likes picking his own treats. You're allowed two. Yeah? One. He always allowed to. Oh, I think you got one. You got one. Let me come closer out. You can't take a nibble out of each one. One. Take that. Didn't it? Yep. I'm trying to go off my chair now. I think that's the end of seeing Teddy today, guys. So, say bye to Teddy. Oh, did you drop your treat? Did Teddy drop his treat? Teddy Bear! Where's your treat? Where's your treat? I see it. Oh, let's get your treat. That's the end of Teddy for today, guys. So, say bye to Teddy. Come. You good? Okay. I thought you was eating something. So, that's the end of Teddy today. Bye, Teddy. So, yeah, I just got a new tripod for the lighting and all that. So, yeah. So, let's do this quick. Because, like, I'm having normal. I've, like, loads to do this evening. I don't know why I'm wearing my pajamas. It's because I wore them all day because I was so lazy today. Yeah, I hope you're having a good day. New Year's Day. It's 2025 already. I'm so shocked it's not 2024 anymore. But I guess we live with it. This is only my quick skincare because I've like bubble and all that, but I don't want to do a routine because it's like, that's only for like days when I have nothing to do. I usually do that in the mornings, bubble and all that. Look at my face, it got so red with this stuff. Don't know what it is. Do you guys have any allergies? I have an allergy. I'm allergic to penicillin, the medicine. So yeah, it's kind of good for me, but like not really, because I don't know what it tastes like. But I'm quite sad about. I hope, guys, like the video if you don't like medicine. I don't. Oh, I'm doing this week, so I can't pick. Do tell you I don't do it. Yay, my favourite. No, it's not. My favourite is... Oh, no, it's not my favourite. But still, I love it. It's the chocolate cornetto. I have the ice cream ones. Okay. That was weird. I heard croaking. How do I open this thing? And they actually taste of the ice cream. Like this, I'm never trying that ice cream because I hate it, the taste. Okay, time to do my hairbrush quick. Oh my gosh. Like my room is so old, like this is baby style. Look, literally unicorns are so babyish for me, like really. And then like way too young for a 12-year-old. Yeah, true. Okay. Anything else I need to do? My face mask I do in the morning. Yeah, I don't think that's much more to do. Oh, I'm going to use this lip balm as well. Because this one actually really moisturises your lips. Open. I have lip glosses and all that at my mum's, but like, okay. I might have to do the Unstoppable move. I heard a crack. Did Teddy take his treat? Opened it. My nail. Oh my god. I accidentally scooped up half of it. That's my whole lip balm. There we go. I'll put that in the box. Thank God I don't need to use pads today. So when I use them, I need to use them. And it's not a good thing. Tell me why you're not being. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. Please subscribe also to join the Dumb Die Squad. I know not all my videos are dumb ways to die, but still, Dumb Die Squad. Go and join the Dumb Die Squad today. So yeah, guys, peace out.